Thought of the day. Reading insightful news strengthens analytical thinking. 1. According to the BIMCOICS Seafarer Workforce Report, India has now become the world's second-largest supplier of seafarers. The share of Indian seafarers globally has risen to 12.16%, with India surpassing China and Russia in this regard. 2. Women officers in the Indian Coast Guard will now have the same opportunities for short service and permanent commissions as their male counterparts. Previously, women in the Indian Army were granted the right to permanent commission following a Supreme Court ruling in 2020. 3. The recipients of the Fields Medal, Mathematics Highest Honor, have been announced. This year, the award went to Yu Deng and Hong Wang, China, John Pardon, USA, and Jacob Zimmerman, Canada. Yu Deng worked on equations bridging physics and mathematics, while Jacob Zimmerman solved the Griffiths conjecture in number theory and algebraic geometry. The award is presented every 4 years to mathematicians under the age of 40. 4. The Ministry of Finance has implemented an one officer, one government car policy. Now, even if an officer holds additional charge of more than one ministry or department, they will be entitled to only one government vehicle. This rule also applies to vehicles belonging to public sector undertakings, PSUs, and autonomous bodies. 5. According to the government, Delhi ranks first among 18 states and union territories in registering E-04s for cyber financial fraud cases. Since the system's launch in May 2025, 6,115 cases have been registered in Delhi and 4,174 in Chandigarh. Under the system, victims can file complaints online. 6. The Ministry of Road Transport has proposed extending the validity of pollution certificates for private BSV vehicles, up to 6 years old, from 1 year to 3 years. Meanwhile, vehicles older than 10 years will undergo inspection every 6 months. For BSI, BS2, and BS3 vehicles, PERC renewal will remain mandatory every 3 months. 7. Word of the day. UNCITRAL. UNCITRAL is a commission of the United Nations, UN. It was established in 1966. It works to harmonize, modernize, and simplify laws related to trade between nations. Its objective is to ensure the easy resolution of trade, investment, and commercial disputes across different countries. Simply put, it is the UN body responsible for creating reliable and uniform rules for international trade. It has been in the news recently because India hosted an international conference in New Delhi to mark its 60th anniversary.